it. What are you doing? Not what? Quick as hell.
One side's gonna win at some point.
I gotta go to bed. I gotta go to Bass Pro. I really gotta go to Bass Pro.
You should probably get the sneeze out your face first.
Yeah, like that's ever good. Why are you laughing so hard?
The faces you're pulling are fucking priceless.
Kenny says he's scenic and he's got like 7 minutes to get there, and I can't even type. I've got a sneeze stuck in my face. Oh. Huh. What?
Huh.
God damn it!
You've literally been at this sneeze for about 5 minutes now.
I know. I was there. God damn it. This sneeze is never gonna happen. Fucking hell. I've seen huskies do a lot of things. I've never seen a husky do this. That was close.
You use a special husky.
God damn it. Now it's gone. Yep, now it's gone.
Told you one side would eventually win.
Huh? I was really hoping to get that last one out, but you had plans.
Giggity.
Ding, ding, ding. Well, that's much more gooder.
Wow, that was intense.
Were you camping?
Not those kind of tents.
Huh. You said it was intense.
Yeah.
I love you.
I did.